Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a really fun vlog because we are transforming my iconic green room. I'm gonna show you guys how we are taking this room from my mood board to real life. And if you saw the last vlog, we basically made a bunch of decisions and we ordered a ton of stuff. I'm gonna catch you guys up to speed, but this is going to be so much fun transforming this room. And we got the rug in today and we also got the desk. And then we are waiting for one more thing, which is the chair. And I believe it should be delivered tomorrow. So this space is about to be transformed, revamped, and it's going to look so good. Right now, this is what it looks like. This is all the Christmas stuff that needs to be put away, and we need to move the ironing board. We have our very fun couch over here. We have some art that needs to be put away, but other than that, we are transforming this room into basically our office / guest room. This fun custom couch actually pulls out to a queen size bed. So we are gonna be like moving this around. We ordered a very fun rug, so this one has gotta go. And this room is about to look so different, and it is much needed because we've been wanting to do this for a very long time. I feel like with the green walls, it was just like very specific for like what we wanted to do. And then we ended up actually just kind of like doing what we wanted to do and what we think looks best. And I think that's like the best way to do it. You just have to do what you think is best and not like get so lost in your Pinterest board and like your vision, and just kind of like make decisions and go with like whatever you think is gonna look the best. I'm gonna give you guys like a little pan of what the room looks like now. We're gonna lay the rug down. We're gonna put the desk in here. And then when the chair comes tomorrow, I'm gonna show you guys a big update. And hopefully this room is gonna be like fully functioning by, hopefully like by Monday, because then I can work from home in here. We can like start kind of like accessorizing the room and get little things, because I have an idea for like other things that I wanna grab. Like I wanna get really fun decorative stools and maybe like a bookshelf in here and lamps, and we need more lighting. During the nighttime, you can totally tell that we need some more lighting in here besides our beautiful chandelier. So I'm gonna show you guys my mood board, which is like kind of where everything originated from. And then I will show you guys and bring you guys along for revamping this room and making my mood board come to life. So this is my mood board, and basically I haven't added any of the accessories like I was just telling you guys about, like a bookshelf and lamps and like little books and things like that, but this is kind of like the original layout. So we have the chandelier, the green walls, this is our custom couch, and then this guy, and this guy. This is what we just got in, except for this guy. We're waiting for him hopefully tomorrow. But we're gonna lay down the rug, we're gonna lay down the desk, and I am so excited. I'll link everything below in my shop my. I'll put it in the description. I feel like once we lay down the good stuff, then we can start accessorizing and this room can look completely different, and I'm just so excited. Okay, so for the little things, like let's put away the ugly iron and the ironing board. That can definitely be put away in the closet. Sorry, it's a little bit dark in here today, but... And then this rug needs to go because we got it originally from Home Goods, and we thought it was a really good deal, and it sheds a lot, which I think is supposed to happen with like new rugs, but it's ivory, and we've only had it for like 2 months, and it is already so dirty, so it needs to go. And I'm just very excited about our new rug because it's like double the size of this rug, which this rug is so small and puny, but it's gotta go. And I think we ordered the correct size this time. The before of the room. So the walls are color drenched, and basically I painted the green walls with the trim, the ceiling, the doors, and very excited to transform this space. This couch, we had it made custom. We saw a swatch in a store and they basically could turn around this couch in about 8 weeks, which is way faster than our West Elm order that we placed. So we were very excited about that. So we've kind of been centering the room around this couch and kind of adding accessories from here. But I'm so obsessed with this print. I'm not sure if the blue and the green are coming out well in the video, but in person, you can definitely tell that there's like a lot of colorways in this print and it's just so fun. And then we have a very fun chandelier up top. So basically we're adding the rug, we're adding the desk, the chair, and I feel like there's like so much more we can do in this space. We can do like sconces here, an art piece. So we're gonna be transforming this room. Also, I feel like I'm getting a little sick, so bear with me. I literally started feeling sick today, which is why this is what we're doing on a Saturday night, but it's all good. I am just motivated to get this room done and kind of like be ready for the new year and be ready for the new week. Final update tomorrow when it's nice and bright out, but I am obsessed with this rug. The colors are so good. It'll probably pick up better in the daytime, but there's like green and blue and it actually looks so nice with this pattern couch. And then we have the desk, which I'm so excited for the chair to come. It looks so good in here. So we shifted the couch from over there to this wall. I feel like that layout is better. And then back here, we can do art. I can do sconces. Actually, maybe I'll do sconces up there. But it looks so good. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, a little room update. Hudson is obsessed. He approves. He's a little freaked out by the new camera, but every time I turn it on, he freezes like this. Or maybe it just makes him very tired, but we got the last piece that we need to complete this room, which is the chair. I have been sick for the past 2 days, so it's all good that the chair was delayed because now we got it in today. I'm feeling a lot better and we can complete the room. So let's do that. Okay, so we got the chair in, which I'm gonna open right now. So the chair is gonna go right here. It's gonna look so cute. And I got a blue chair. So you guys just wait. Okay. Cute. It's your new chair. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I just built the chair. It is ready, and it has little wheels. Cool. Cute, actually. Really nice quality. Wow, and very affordable, and very easy to put together. I feel like that's the most important part. So cute. Oh, it's perfect. So cute. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, with like a little lamp, a computer setup. So cute. I'm obsessed with this room. I have to throw away that trash over there. But other than that, here is the room transformation. And I actually really love the setup of everything. And we've been like passing by the room and we've been like, we're obsessed with this rug. So good. I think the rug was like under $300. The desk was $500 and then the chair was $300. So very affordable and like budget friendly. The only thing that was really pricey in this room was our custom couch, but honestly, we kind of built the room around this couch, and I feel like we're gonna have it for a long time, and it pulls out to a queen bed. So a very smart decision, especially when we have guests. And I'm just so excited to start decorating this room. It's so perfect. I'm just gonna sit in my desk chair. It's perfect. And then I can like, so cute. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. From the transformed room. Wow, wait, I actually love this. And there's like really good drawers for this desk, and I'm very, very happy with this room transformation. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be accessorizing this room, hopefully finding some really good Facebook Marketplace finds. And I went to a thrift store yesterday, but I didn't love their selection and I only had a little bit of time. And I've been feeling under the weather, so I feel like my creativity is like bleh right now. Once I start feeling better, I'm gonna be sourcing for this room, and I am so excited. I'm gonna be looking for like bookshelves and unique stools and art pieces, lamps, lighting. So subscribe to follow along to continue to watch this room transform. But I feel like just these little pieces, like adding a rug, adding a desk, moving the couch, getting a desk chair, like a very fun desk chair, and just kind of like exploring. And like this chair is blue and our walls are green, so I feel like just kind of expanding on like the color palette, I feel like is a really good way to help transform the room, bring in some color and bring in some fun pieces with textures. So I'm just very excited to continue to do that with you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you like it? Do you not? What should I add? Give me some tips and just let me know in the comments what you guys think. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye guys.